Cleaning windows can be time-consuming, risky, and frustrating, especially with hard-to-reach glass, streaks, and constant re-cleaning. That's where robot window cleaners come in. These smart devices stick to glass surfaces, scrub efficiently, and save you effort and time. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best robot window cleaners of 2026. Powerful, intelligent, and designed for spotless results at home. We researched INSE reviews and features to build this list. Check the description for updated prices and links. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart home tech reviews. Number 5. TECHCLN Intelligent Window Cleaning Robot. The TECHCLN Intelligent Window Cleaning Robot is a reliable entry-level option for everyday glass cleaning. It uses strong suction to stay attached to windows while efficiently removing dust and stains. With the remote control included, you can easily guide its movement across surfaces. It supports multiple cleaning modes and works on windows, mirrors, and glass doors. The compact design makes it easy to handle and store, ideal for users looking for an affordable and simple solution to keep their windows clean without manual effort. Number 4. DIVEDEER Smart Window Cleaning Robot. The DIVEDEER window cleaning robot stands out with its automatic water spraying function, helping remove stubborn dirt and streaks more effectively. Its anti-drop safety system and strong magnetic grip ensure secure operation even on vertical glass. Designed for home use, it works well on windows, tiles, and smooth surfaces. The intelligent cleaning paths improve coverage and efficiency. Compact and user-friendly, this robot is perfect for those who want a safer and smarter way to maintain clean windows with minimal effort. Number 3. Liectroux S11 Window Cleaning Robot. The Liectroux S11 is a powerful and feature-rich robot window cleaner with strong 9 kPa suction for secure grip and deep cleaning. Its 4-way water spray system ensures even coverage, while smart memory technology helps it follow efficient cleaning paths. It works on glass, walls, and even tile surfaces, making it versatile for home use. With advanced sensors and reliable performance, it handles dirt, dust, and smudges with ease. A great option for users who want powerful suction and smart automation in one device. Number 2. INSE Window Cleaning Robot. The INSE Window Cleaning Robot combines convenience and performance with its automatic water spray function and remote control operation. It delivers consistent cleaning with strong suction, ensuring it stays firmly attached to glass surfaces. Designed for home use, it works well on windows, mirrors, and sliding doors. Its intelligent cleaning patterns help cover more area efficiently, reducing missed spots. Lightweight and easy to use, this robot is perfect for users who want a hassle-free way to keep their windows spotless. Number 1. RobotLifestyle Smart Window Cleaner. The RobotLifestyle Automatic Window Cleaner takes the top spot with its powerful 2800 PA suction and advanced 4-direction water spray system. It provides thorough cleaning with excellent coverage, leaving minimal streaks behind. The smart navigation system ensures efficient movement across surfaces, while the remote control makes operations simple. Designed for home use, it works on large windows, glass doors, and more. With strong performance and smart features, this robot cleaner delivers premium results for effortless window maintenance. Robot window cleaners make glass cleaning safer, faster, and easier. These 5 models offer strong suction, smart features, and efficient cleaning for any home. Whether you need basic cleaning or advanced automation, there's a perfect option here. Which one do you like most? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.